This took a long time to get, but eventually we ended up with a really good commercial air hockey table made by Dynamo, which isn't Dynamo anymore because they partnered with another company. But this video we are going to show getting everything strapped in and shipped over to Moonlight Movies. I was very surprised to find out that these legs on the air hockey table are plastic, so we decided to just put 2 legs on at a time, and the great staff at Moonlight Movies helped us lift it down really carefully. And instead of doing all 4, we opted to do 2 legs at a time. We were cautious and didn't want the legs to bind and crack, so we ended up getting everything set down properly and moved into place reasonably well. We drilled out the locks on a couple of the doors to access the game board and the coin door, but at this point we had to just keep it on free play and let people enjoy it as it was. So Andrew put in some filters, gave it a quick cleaning, but what I needed to do now was make some new coin doors. So I cut up some MDF, I made some marks and put on some glue temporarily to the shape of the holes that we needed to make. And I got the router and cut out the coin door, cut out the coin lock, test fit everything. It looked really good, and got the coin mechanism hole and everything painted up. Now we have to just get everything calibrated and set to take coins, and that was an interesting experience. So we ended up having to do some wiring, and Andrew tinned up some wires on the coin mechanism, got everything connected to the 12-volt supply, and also to a few other inputs on the game board, which was not the most complicated, but since we didn't have much to go off of, there was a little bit of trial and error. We kept going on and off and back and forth on a couple of things, but eventually, this is the moment that we found out it finally worked. So we put in some coins, and if you look closely here, you can see that that just glides around. So the machine starts automatically once it gets the credit it needs. We put on the new coin door, flipped on the main power supply, and that was it. So, another successful machine. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you tune in for some more.
Pretend to take your lock out.
You mean like do this again?
Yeah.
Or just the key? Or?
Yeah. Perfect.